Here I'm going to show you how to lock chat on WhatsApp. So let's dive in. Let's open our WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. Okay. Let me show my tab. Now this is our WhatsApp now. Now I want to hide this particular message, this particular group, you can say. Just click on it. You right click on it, long press on it, and you come to this three line button. Come to it and select. Now lock chat. This one, click on lock chat. Now continue. Set up your face or fingerprint to lock or to unlock this chat. I'll say okay. So let's see what I'm going to use. So I was asked to use fingerprint or to use let's see, or to use my face to lock this private chat. Now to lock this chat, so what you're going to do is just go to your more. So let's say just go to your settings and enable your, you go to your settings and enable your, okay, go to your settings and enable your fingerprint and your password, and just click on continue, and you can automatically lock this especially message. So guys, if this app, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.